All right, good morning. How you doing?
Magic every time.
Magic. But it came on the screen, it said something about a magic mouse. And I'm thinking, wait a minute here, this is going to be interesting. But good morning, my name is John Crabtree, I'm the Odom Institute. And I want to talk a little bit about a tool we use called the DataVerse network. And actually, while I'll talk about a tool, I want to really talk about the implementation of our tool and how we use it for data management and the layers that we add around it, because as we all know, tools are great, but it's really the people who run them that matter. And it's the people that are educated and trained on how to use them and how to properly use them, so to speak. So the DataVerse network is fairly mature. It's been around 10, 15 years now. It started early as the virtual data center. And we've been working with Harvard to help add more and more data curation concepts to it and more preservation concepts to that along the way. And it was developed during the in-depth projects helped push this along. It started as the National Science Foundation. But basically it's a virtualized system where you can create your virtual preservation network for yourself, and then they federate it across the network. Forward is currently in development and will be released. It's in I think they're beta 12 right now, and the final release will be January 30th. So the network is fairly large. Just at Odom, we have over 690,000 files, and it's a little old, probably have 723, I think, now. But basically, what I want to talk about is how we've implemented it and the layers that we implement. We use it as a service. So the first level is a self-archiving service. Folks can log in, create your own user account, create your own DataVerse network, so to speak. You can customize it as you wish, put your own wrappers around it, make it look like your own website. You can use it privately. You can hide it from the world. You can just use it to manage your own files during your project. You don't have to be at Odom. You don't have to be at UNC. You don't have to be in the United States. You can be anywhere in the world. It happens all over the place. We get data from everywhere. That is a free service. We offer that to folks to be able to get you thinking about archiving data. The next level is a guided archive where we help you get started with this. So we have archivists that can guide your project. You actually have to do all the work. As we know, and I'm sure all of the folks in this audience know, it's a lot of work to curation, right? You've got to clean that data, you've got to get it right. But a lot of folks don't even know you need to do that. So at this level, we help them, we train them, we'll do trainings, and this is a service fee we charge to come out and train your project on how to do this. We help you set up your network and get things moving. And then the third level is a comprehensive lifecycle management. We actually start at the beginning at the data management plan. We embed archivists in your team like an RA. They help you deal with confidential data. They help you deal with how to manage your data through your process all the way through. And they use the DataVerse network in the process. So in the end, rather than waiting the end of the project and all the RAs are gone and all the PIs are on to their new project, and now someone says, I want that data, and they don't have to go scrambling and find it. It's actually already in the DataVerse network. It may have been private and not shared to the world, but with just a little bit of effort can be shared to the world. So I'm going to do a little demonstration here pretty soon, and we'll talk more about it and ask questions, and you can go to our website to get more information, and we'll talk more about it.
Thank you.